Now we have finished simulation and we continue to create a mold for sun, and we can create it here and we can save it in save and copy, and we can make also here, it's no problem, and we can go like that, and we have a sun and they are same, but we can also hidden one, and we are creating this plan. And when we create, it's better because we know we need to start I can show, because we need to start from this line. This should be connect together. And it's enough like that, not too big. We can create extrude and we can have it both mold. We go same. We can create from aluminum, and also we can create from plastic. It depends which material you want to use. We need to say not two body, but we can have it only one, and we can have it one body. We can create it also like before, and we can make a split, but it's better we go like that and go extrude, and only we need to change direction, and we can now we have a both, and we can create it with a command indented again. Cut. We can go again, same, and again cut with that, and now we have it created. We can see also we have created cut. And here we need to have some radius, because it's difficult to have it without radius, because we need to, when we machine it, or if you want to, you can go with a 3D printer. We go same. And we can control here, it looks good, and we can continue with another and control. We need also here radius 0.5. We go on both sides. We can create also with a 3D printer, or we can create from plastic. When you fill it with a sun, should be vent here, go air out. You need to create also for vent here, and in one side. You don't need in both sides, it's only one side, it's enough. And also you need to think for process, because if you have a big vent here, it's not good, because when you have a gas for hard in sun, it's go fast, and it's not good. If you have a so small, when you fill it with the sun, it's not enough. You need to find one like a better solution for have a sun. For this type, it's a 4 or 5 millimeter. It's okay for a vent for this type for sun. And we can have it like that, and have it create a sketch, because I want to see in this area. It's we can go with the cut, or we can go with the cut, or we can go with the chamfer. We have a different option, but it's depending which way you want. And we can go insane. It's better if we go more. We go in both. And now it's easy if we create it here, because we can go in sketch and make open from here. We see it's too big. We can go with 3. It's enough. It was in radius. If we go 4, neutral. 5. 5, it's okay. Or we go with a 6, because it's not good if we have a so close here. And we can go extrude cut up to next. We go same, not same. We can go same extrude cut, and we go up to next same. And now we have both for them. Because when we start to fill it with the sun, it's a here. We start to fill it, and we have also vent, and we have it vented here. And also we need orientation from mold. It's same like in mold, only 1, 2, 3 orientation when you open and close mold, and everything is complete.